That's ground up old bread in a blender, and it's the cheapest way to feed the sparrows. Now that mound sitting on top of that board I built for this feeder will be empty in about 5 minutes. You can see how they love this stuff. So don't throw it out. Put it in a blender, grind it up, and set it out for the birds. There's a lot of stress on them right now with all the chemicals. And it does take its toll on nature. Here in Lake Huron, we used to have smelt dipping when I was 10, 12 years old. My father would fill the back of the pickup truck with 7 garbage cans and 20 minutes of smelt, the fish. That's gone. Pollution, lead, mercury. Then we used to have perch. You could catch perch. I was 6 years old with 2 hooks on a line. All I did was pull them in. My dad would take the fish off the hook and put a minnow on each hook. Drop it in and I'd pull in 2 more. This went on for 10-15 minutes. We filled the bottom of our 18-foot boat. And it was 3 days of cleaning perch fish. That's all gone now too. Also pheasant hunting, Michigan. You can walk in a cornfield, the pheasants will run over your feet. They're all gone also. So if you get the hint, we're on our way out. Well, I can't say that on YouTube. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks, people. Click, and I'll have more of these. Subscribe. More on the birds and the wildlife.